Hi there, Scott here from GBC Tech Training. With the holiday season quickly approaching, we want to update you on how the holiday break will impact on our technical and tutorial and admin support to you. The college will be closed from Friday, December the 23rd to Monday, January the 2nd. If you plan on working on your program and taking exams over the break, you'll want to make sure that you're registered into any new modules or programs by Thursday, December the 22nd at 4 p.m. This way, you're guaranteed to be able to access the program exams when you're ready to write them. Any new registrations for modules or programs received after 4 p.m. on Thursday, December the 22nd will be processed when we reopen on Tuesday, January the 3rd. Technical and tutorial support are available from December 23rd to January 2nd by email at support@gbctechtraining.com, as well as through our online resource center through the discussion forums. We will be checking email and forums for student questions daily over the holiday break. Please note any phone messages left during this period will be answered when we return to work on January the 3rd, 2023. All of us here at George Brown College would like to wish you a safe and a happy holiday and the very best in the new year.